Hi, I'm Annie and welcome to Gimme Lemons. I hope you're all doing well. I don't know about you, but here in Germany, as we head deeper into the dark gray days of winter, especially this year, I'm finding that I need little comforts to get me through the days. Inevitably, for me that means lots of comfort foods, or in today's case, comfort drinks. So today I'm going to show you how to make what's for me the ultimate comfort drink, Masala Chai. I'm also going to share with you a story of a dear friend and her mom who are the inspiration for this recipe. But first, a little background information. Masala essentially means a mixture of spices used in South Asian cooking, but in fact, it goes much deeper than that. If you're like me and are interested in word origins and languages, you can go down a pretty deep rabbit hole with this one word alone. Then you have the word chai, which simply means tea. Interestingly enough, the Korean word for tea is cha, and a simple exercise of Google translating the word tea into various random languages will yield some really interesting commonalities throughout the world. I'm certainly no expert on masala chai, but I like to think I learned from the best. My friend Mimi and her mom. I first met Mimi in the 7th grade when my parents worked all the time making ends meet. I spent many days hanging out at Mimi's place, and her family housed me, fed me, and even took me out for Indian food on my birthdays. So it's actually no surprise that Indian is my comfort food. On so many of those days when I visited their home, I would see Mimi's mom cooking at the stove, making magic happen. I was amazed at the way she pulled out her spice drawer and instinctively and expertly tossed her arsenal of spices into whatever she was cooking. Whenever she made chai, the smells that wafted up when she brought it up to a boil would build incredible anticipation. When she finally poured me a cup of the chai, whoa, what a mind-blowing treat to the senses. It's hard to believe that she only used ginger, tea, and milk, and nothing else. But an explosion of flavors hits you all at once. I mean, how could something so simple taste so rich and complex? So basically, I was spoiled for life, until I learned to make my own. The only thing missing from this version is the love that Mimi's mom clearly put into everything she cooked. So I hope this story inspired you to make your own chai at home. The full recipe to this very special drink is in the description below, along with a link to a printable version. In my next video, I'll share with you how to make a semi-instant version of this tea. Until then, be well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and simple but delicious recipes. See you in the next video!